Alright, I'm working on my Audi S4 B6 headlights. What I hate about these headlights are the orange for the turn signal. I love the black though, so I'm working on removing that. I did this on my other, I had an Audi S6, yeah, I believe. Well, actually, it was the A6 2.7 twin turbo, 6-speed, a rare model at the time when it first came out. It was a sedan 4-door. So I was able to remove this on that. This is a little different, but I'm just trying to do the same concept. You see I have a pick here. You can dislodge these on the side. I actually started and I said, you know what, let me try and do a video, because I've always working on cars. You can see some of my other YouTube videos of just a few of the cars I've worked on. I've worked on hundreds. I've owned hundreds of cars at this point. You know, most of them are usually unique. I like the S4. This is an S4 Avant B6. I also have a B5 S4. I'll probably work on that. Hopefully another video. So I'm just trying to get this around here to move out of the way. Alright. Try not to scratch the glass here at the front. There we go. Alright, so now how am I going to get this out, right? So already it looks better. It's a little piece at the bottom. I'll try and blow that out. But I'm going to try and see if I can leverage this piece here. Trying to do is kind of flip it over so the curved part is the same way it came out, curved. Trying to see if I can fit it through in between the turn signal housing and the you know, the main headlight housing, and get it out the back. Just turned the wrong way. Lots of finagling. The end result will be spectacular if I can get it out. Well, I'll just be driving with this dancing around, which I don't want to do. So let me see. Actually, the other way might be best. To tell you the truth. The way is probably best. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you guys with me flipping around. I'll try and come back when I got it in that spot, but you get the idea. So where I'm at right now is, see the pick in the back? It's in between, right there in the corner. It's going through at the bottom. I'll try to hook it here, and I'm going to see if I can just flip it. the hook portion up. And, spin it at the same time. Spinning it, trying to hook it. Come back. Right, I'm at another crossroad here, trying to get it from the top now. So let's see if that works. See, it's braced up against here, so it's not giving it enough leeway to get in, but let's see if I can force it a little bit. Might have to do is see if I can break it in two, but I don't want little pieces in there, so I'm trying to get it out as a whole. Let's see. Alright, long screwdriver. See if that'll help. Some pressure. was trying to wedge the turn signal housing outwards while I push this inwards and see what'll fit behind. Wedging it with the screwdriver here. There we go. Alright, let's see if I can put this in here. So just use gravity to my advantage here. Some gravity going. Alright, so I got it. Let's try and wedge it through. Shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so as you can see, it's right here. So I just gotta grab it now and try and bend it over, get it to come over the back of the housing, and then that's it. It's amazing, right? Simple. You don't have to heat it up. You don't gotta put it in the oven. I just gotta use a pick and pry it out. Then I'll be able to do the other side the same way. So I'm actually getting the pick under there and pulling it, you know, turning it to try and grab the bottom of that reflector. Oh, fuck. Casualty of war. Break the skin. That's good. Along, you see that bottom piece that was there broke off already, fitted through, so it came out already. Wow. Oh, I did start bleeding. Alright. A little blood there, but. Whew. See that? Used to be there. No loss. Beautiful. Now I gotta, you know, buff this out and make it shiny or whatever, but I just wanted to try it out and see if it worked, and perfect. It worked. Alright. Don't puncture yourself. I have to get some alcohol because I know this pick is dirty. Hit the like button, subscribe. Look at my other videos. I'm gonna start, I guess, trying to video some of my other trials and tribulations. I do a lot. I need a camera crew, to tell you the truth. I work on a lot of my cars, people's cars. I buy cars for people. So definitely like, subscribe, and hopefully I'll do some more. Peace out.